Welcome to Thermco Products. This instructional video is for the ACC895WRFT, a wireless big-digit digital thermometer. Features of this thermometer are a wireless temperature probe that can be placed in a fridge or freezer up to 30 feet away from the display unit without all the hassles of routing wires. The temperature range for the wireless sensor is -58 to approximately 158 degrees Fahrenheit or -40 to approximately 70 degrees Celsius. With a large, easy-to-read 3 by 2.5 inch display that shows the current, min, and max temperatures all simultaneously. The wireless probe has an integrated bottle filled with biosafe medium to buffer readings against temperature shifts caused by opening of storage unit doors. User programmable settings for high and low alarm limits with visual and audible alarms during excursions. The temperature refresh rate for the wireless probe is every 30 seconds, with the choice of displaying temperatures in either Celsius or Fahrenheit. Battery life for the monitor receiver is approximately 5 months and 8 months for the transmitter using AAA batteries. All right, let's do an overview of the parts of this kit. This is the receiver monitor. You have 3 buttons on the front. One says min reset low, in the middle mode, and to the right of that max reset high. We'll discuss these buttons later in the video. On the right hand side you have a 3.5 millimeter jack that is for wired sensors. On the back you have an on-off switch, a button for wireless, ambient, external to choose your temperature sensor of your choice. Next to that is another button with a bell, and that's to activate or deactivate the alarm. And to the right of that you have a CF switch, and that's to select either the Celsius or Fahrenheit scale on the display. Battery compartment and a kick-out desk stand. Next we have the temperature probe. This is wireless. It is good for up to about 30 feet. And the things to note is that this button is used to turn the unit on and off. But remember, when you put the batteries in initially, it's automatically on. You don't need to turn it on. All right, so let's put some batteries and get going on this. The negative end of the battery goes in first. On the side you'll see a little arrow, and on the cap there's also an arrow, and all you need to do is line these up, push in, and then turn. About that much. Alright, so now the transmitter is on and ready to be used. Let's take our monitor receiver, battery, the negative end of the batteries goes against the spring. Turn it on. When the wireless receiver is initially turned on, it will be displaying temperatures from the internal temperature sensor within the unit. Also, you will see the A and B symbol on the display. But if you want to measure temperatures with a wired probe, turn the unit over and depress the wireless A and B EXT button. And now we're getting an alarm because we have no external sensor connected. To mute the audible alarm, press any button once. You also see now EXT on the display for the external wired probe. But we want to measure temperatures with our wireless sensor. So again, turn over the unit and depress, once again, wireless A and B EXT button. You now see CON on the display, and then the actual temperature from the wireless sensor. The wireless sensor updates the display every 30 seconds. You will also see the wireless symbol up in the upper left-hand corner, so you know you are getting a signal from that sensor. Okay, now that we're receiving temperatures from our wireless probe, let's set our alarms. Press the mode button, and the display will change to low and high in the lower section. The button marked low will set our low alarm setting. I want 2 degrees, so I'll just hit this 2 times. And I want a high alarm of 8 degrees. So I am past 8 degrees. So I hold this button until it goes up to the maximum value and it will loop back around. And then you'll see. I'll go up and around 70 degrees C, it will drop to minus 40. Now we're climbing back up. And when I get to close, I start going single presses to get to the temperature. Okay, 2 and 8 degrees C. We have an alarm because the temperature sensor is at ambient room temperature. You'll see that you also have now an LED that blinks for the alarm, and also an audible that gives about 10 beeps and goes silent, and then 10 beeps. And once again, if you want to silence it, just press any button once and that will silence the audible alarm. Okay, press the mode button again. We're all set. It's now time to put the sensor into your storage unit and let it stabilize the temperature over approximately 30 minutes. And once it's done that, then go to the back of the unit, deactivate the alarm and reactivate the alarm, and you'll be good to go. Now, we're still in alarm conditions, but normally you will not have any alarms until you have an excursion, go outside those parameters that you just set. Our current temperature is 20.3 degrees. Our min is 17.8. Our max is 47.9. And now we want to reset the min and max. All that is necessary is just press the min reset, and that sets it to the current temperature. And if you want to reset the max, just depress the max reset button, and that also now reflects the current temperature. This concludes our instructional video for the ACC895WRFT wireless big digit min-max digital thermometer. For additional product information or information on any other products that Thermco provides, please visit us at our website www.thermcoproducts.com or call 973-300-9100. Thank you.